The median is the value in the middle of a ranked set of data. First, we have to make sure that our data is ordered. So I'm going to list the data sets from least to greatest. Then, if we have an odd number of data pieces, the median will be the piece in the center of the data. That would be the case here for this set of data. At first, the data was not in order, so it had to be put in order. Then, once it was put in order, we can cross off 1 on each side until we get to the middle of the data. And that value is going to be what is referred to as the median. So the median here is 427. But if there are an even number of data pieces, then the median will be halfway between the two middle ones. That's the case for this set of data here. There's 6 flight prices. And if we cross off 1 on each side, we can see that there is no middle piece. Therefore, what we'll do instead is we'll actually average the two that are closest to the middle here. And that gives us 412. So that will be the median. I'll do a few examples here. Let's find the median of the data set 1, 2, 3. The median will be the number in the middle. They're already put in order, so I don't have to put them in order. The median is 2. But what about for 1, 2, 2, 4? The median should be halfway between the two that are closest to the center. So what we'll do is we will average these two. We'll do 2 plus 2 divided by 2. Well, that makes 2. So once again, the median is 2. Here we have the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. We see that the middle here divides the data into 2 parts, and we just want to average these two. So let's do 2 plus 3 divided by 2. That makes 2.5. So the median here is 2.5. The last one's the hardest of all. I see that the data is not put into order, so I'm going to have to put it in order. Okay. Now that it's in order, try to identify the middle. We can cross off 1 on the left, 1 on the right, 1 on the left, 1 on the right, until we get to the middle. 12 and 14 are equally close to the middle, so let's just average them. And it's 13. The median is 13.